Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today we'll be solving question 1512, number of good pairs. I'll be going through my thought process as I come up with a solution, then stick around for the end of the video where I compare my solution to the solution of others. Cool, with that, let's begin the question. Given an array of integers, nums, return the number of good pairs. A pair, ij, is called good if nums I is equal to nums j, and I is less than j. So in this given array, the number of good pairs is basically all the combination of these pairs, with I always being less than j, so we can basically set I to 0 and then go j equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then set I to 1 and go j equals 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on until we traverse all of them. And for the number of ones that are equal, we'll count the number of equal ones. Okay, that's no wonder it's easy. For I in range len nums minus 1, for j in range I plus 1 len nums, if nums I, if this meets the condition that they're equal, then I'm going to increment count and return count. Assuming that this one is extremely easy and that it's going to pass right away. And I'm not even going to, let's take a look at what their solutions are. So all of these are probably clever, over-engineered ways of solving a very standard problem. If this makes sense to you, then absolutely go with this. It's by far the easiest for me to read, just because you see this pattern so often. And with that, let's call this an extremely short video. Cool, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.